Okay, my people, this is the pork feet. I'm telling you, I'm gonna cook, guys, the pig feet here. So the season, I tell you, I'm gonna do it in a different type of way. This is how I do it, guys. No water, there's no water added to this, okay? Because all these season are water-based season. They're gonna break down. So, look at that, my peeps. So it look nice and beautiful. Yes, man. Okay, guys, so this is my curry pig feet, guys. Cooked with broad bean, carrot, Irish potato. Guys, I want you to watch the video and learn how to make this one. Go from start to finish, guys, and you will get it. This one is very easy, step by step. Okay? Watch the video to the end. Str8yaad TV. Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up myself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. First, Str8yaad TV. 1.
Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel Str8yaad TV, guys. In the kitchen today, guys, we're gonna cook something nice, something lovely, something special, guys. Today we're gonna cook a delicious pork feet, guys. Okay, we're gonna cook pig feet today. Curry pig feet with some butter bean, guys. This one's gonna be so nice, guys. AKA pig Trotters. So, guys, this here, I have them on the water here. I'm soaking up some vinegar. Let me throw out the water so you guys can see what's going on. Because I did have it in some vinegar soaking, you know. Now we have to wash everything and clean them up properly. So see the guys, some nice pig Trotters. Nice pig feet, see? Cut up already. Them here. We'll cut them in two again, them long one, yeah. Cut them up. You understand? Cut them up, yeah. And we are gonna come right back, guys. We're gonna season it up. Over here. This is all the season I have here. This is all my powder season I'm gonna use. Not all of them. This is not gonna use, so let's take off that one. So basically we're gonna use everything else. With Maggie. With Maggie, yeah. Anti-Maggie. With easy spice. Little like slap your mama. Some complete. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder. The big old better pack curry, guys. So stay tuned. Watch what I go on with that one. Now one I'm gonna touch it up special in some different type of way. So you're gonna see how much this one is gonna be so nice and delicious, guys. Because I had some other season I'm gonna add to the curry when I'm burning it. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. I'm gonna finish cleaning up the pig feet, guys, over here. I'm gonna cut them and then season them up and let them marinate a little bit, and then we get ready to cook. So stay tuned. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment and subscribe if you come on the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Send the video go around the door to the video cannot hurt, guys. Str8yaad TV up and running. What we are gonna do, we are gonna cut them. Softly more, understand? Just like that. Yeah, just like that. Two pieces, okay? So basically, a circle bone like that. Alright. Alright, guys, we're going to cut them up. Okay, my people, so see them here? Well, nice and clean. Cut up nicely. Guys, if you want to cut them finely, you got to get them cut at the butcher shop, okay? Where they have the electric saw. These are fine for me. I like to eat a lot of meat. You understand? When you cook all them here, nice. So we'll go ahead and season them up right now. Make it soak. So we're going with a little complete, my people. We're going with a little mixed Maggie. Going with little slap your mama. A little black pepper. some garlic powder. I'm going with a little bit of we top of the line season, guys, straight from Jamaica. Okay, this is the easy spice meat seasoning. Okay, no MSG added. Okay, this is mostly a seasoning that I use all the time. And anything, guys, I can use only this to cook with. Alright, my people. You know what we do? I just go ahead and mix him up, you know. We do I mix him up. Because I season equally transport on the meat, guys, okay? See how that look? Okay. Alright, guys, so we're going to add some of our bell pepper curry now. And let it sit down and marinate a little bit, guys, okay? See that? Yeah. That's enough because we're going to burn the curry also. Yes, my people, you see, look. That is it. So look, my people. Okay. So we are gonna go ahead and we are gonna get some season. So we season over here, so. But what we're gonna do to season them this time, guys, we're gonna make it in a different way. So stay tuned and watch how we are gonna make the season. Okay, my people, this is the pork feet. I'm telling you, I'm gonna cook, guys, the pig feet here. So the season, I tell you, I'm gonna do it in a different type of way. This is how I do it, guys. Go ahead and make some green seasoning and blend everything out, okay? So we're gonna put it on it right now and make it marinate. Guys, this is gonna marinate for like, say, 2 hours. And then I'm gonna come back and cook this. This is gonna be so nice, guys. Trust me. This beautiful green season. Oh. So let's just mix it up, guys. And let it marinate. And like I said, remember your hand must clean when you come in the kitchen. If I'm cooking for people, I use my gloves. I'm cooking for my friends or my family, I cook with my hand. Okay, guys? And if I'm cooking for myself, like right now I'm cooking for myself. I'm cooking for you, guys. Right now I'm cooking for you. But you're not here to eat it, okay? So right away I'm gonna eat it. So I'm cooking for myself. But you guys are doing it with me, okay? So stay tuned. Watch what I want. See, guys? Guys, you wanna smell that flavor? That ginger and all that pepper and everything that I blend, the onion, the scallion, and the garlic, the thyme, guys, the pimento. Wow, you wanna smell this, guys? So we're gonna cover that up. Have a little bit more in the blender here. Let me get some more on it. Like that, my peeps. So we're gonna cover it up, you know. Make it marinate. And then later on, we're gonna cook it young, guys. So stay tuned. Watch where I'm going. Okay, guys, so here is the pig feet. The Trotters them, well seasoned and marinate. So over here I have one pan and we are going with some coriander. This is gonna be off the hook, guys. We are going with some masala. Our masala. Guys, we are going with some jeera. Make sure you get this if you want to cook real Indian style curry, okay? We are going with a cup of bay leaf, my people. Probably like 2 little baby ones. And crush up. Right over here, this is cumin. We are going with a little also, okay? I will put all the ingredients in the links below, guys. Okay, guys, I will put all the ingredients in the description below. So stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Add some curry now. Alright. So right away. See then? The color we got. That's what we're talking about, my people. Right away we are going with piece of onion, okay? Cut up some onion knife. You don't have to cut them up too small. You can cut them up any size you want. Not too small, not too big. Because it's a flavor up thing, you know? Then we'll cook out. 2 peg of garlic, guys. We're gonna cut them and crush them. Add just a little bit of water for you people. Style. You don't know? No, you know them style. I make that come up to a good cooking before we put in the pig feet, guys. So stay tuned, watch what I go on. See that color? Oh, guys, this is so rich, full of flavor. Guys, you want to smell this one? So this is like burning the curry, but in a different way, guys. We're frying the curry in oil and water. So it's like we are cook up the curry into a little thick paste. Alright? We're boil it right down and then we're gonna add in the meat and then we're gonna add water and then we're gonna set it up. So stay tuned, watch what I go on. Guys, if you smell them flavor here, you must kick like a Van Damme. The cumin, the masala, the jeera, the bay leaf, the coriander, the curry. They must kick flavor like trouble, guys. Okay, my people, look at this now. You see it come down to a thick paste like that? You see how thick it is? Alright, look at this. Now we're gonna add our pig feet, guys. And pig feet are well marinated now, people. Them nice. Right, when you cook them type of curry, you know, you have to have an apron. If you don't want your clothes to dirty up because these curry, stain clothes, you have to wash out that. A real type of curry here. These pig feet, guys, are gonna be off the hook. Wow, you can smell it, guys. This flavor is so nice, guys. I want you to try this one at home, really and truly. So guys, I'm gonna cover it up and let it do it thing a little bit more before we add any water to it. So stay tuned, watch what I'm going. Let the fire do the work, guys. Guys, you see this? This is what we'll talk about, you know. I would say we have to go on and cook up. See it look now? So all of the curry stick to the meat, guys. Like a paste. Alright, so right now, we have to cover the pot and we have to get some water on it, guys. But you know, so we always have to have water boiled on stove, so we have to rinse out back the same pot here and use all this flavor gonna go in the pot, guys. Nothing wasting. This is the best part. Alright? Just want to wash out the pot here, guys. I want to get everything out from this pot like that. And now we're gonna add. Okay. Then we're gonna need more also because this thing is gonna take a little time to cook. So let's wash it out properly. I'm gonna put on some more water. Cause you know you can't cook without the hot water on the stove, guys. You don't use cold water when you're cooking. So I want to meet these people. So this thing here, this is not a normal thing, you know. So we're going to cover this up in peeps. And we're going to make the fire continue, do the work. We're going to add some more water as we go on because you know it takes long to cook. So stay tuned, guys. Like and share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Str8yaad TV in the kitchen, guys. Look at that, my peeps. So it look nice and beautiful. Yes, man. I've gone out with himself. So I'll cover it up back and make the fire continue to do some work, my people. Stay tuned, like and share. Comment and subscribe, guys. And really, you need to try this one at home, guys. It's going to be off the hook. Remember, I'm telling you, this one is going to be so good. Okay, my beautiful people. My viewers and my subscribers. I want you to check out this, guys. Look at this big feet, guys. Falling off a bone. Look how it look. Gummy, nice. And big Trotters, guys. Got it. Gravy nice and rich. Guys, I'm gonna add some more things to it, you know. Like a potato and a carrot and everything and season up the pot. And get it nice and ready and now ready for the bean. You understand? So guys, stay tuned. And watch what I go on. This one's gonna be so nice, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Str8yaad is always in the kitchen cooking up a storm, guys. So check it. Okay, guys, I have one nice potato here, Irish potato, and 2 little carrots. I'm gonna go ahead and add them to the pot, guys. So I'm ready to peel them and wash them. Cut them up for you guys. Add them to the pot. You know where you go. Get some body. Although it have a lot of body already, guys. It's so rich. But you know, get some carrot tonight, you know. And guys, remember for using the cutting board if you cannot handle the knife. Safety come first, okay? Remember, I always tell you that. I used to the knife so I can handle it. Alright, so we're going to add this to the pot and all my people. Wow, you see that, guys? Guys, look at this. Wow. You see them rich gravy, people? This is what we are talking about. See it there? This is the pig feet, guys. This is a pot of traditional food cooked with lots of love, guys. Trust me. Look at this. See them pig chakra melting, falling off the bone. Guys, if you know the flavor this have. So I'm just gonna let this cook with it. And then I'm gonna get my butter bean. And then I'm gonna add my butter bean, my people. So stay tuned. Watch what I go on. This one's gonna be so nice, guys. Stay tuned. Watch the video to the end. And remember to like and share. And try it at home, guys. Don't only watch the video and don't try it. These menus are some nice menus. For all who eat pig feet or trotters, whatever you guys call it in your language. Check it out and try it this way one of the day. It's gonna be a hook. Alright, so we're gonna cover it up and let the fire continue to do some more work. Meanwhile, we're gonna get our butter bean going, guys. Okay, so stay tuned, watch the video. Okay, my beautiful people, here is the broad beans. The reason why I have them in the plate, guys, I just don't go from the can to the pot. I always take out my beans and I rinse them off with some warm water before I put them in the pot. Okay, rinse off all of that preservative that's in the can. Alright, my people, to rinse off mine. Okay, so this, I'm gonna give this 5 minutes to cook, guys, because this beans already cooked. So basically I'm just cooking it in the sauce to let it get some flavor. And then we're gonna thicken up more, but it don't need no more thickness, guys, because this is already thick. And watch, guys, falling off the bone. Alright, so stay tuned, watch what I go on, guys, and soon finish. Next time we're going in this pot, we are ready to eat. So stay tuned with people. Str8yaad TV. Always in the kitchen. And remember to like and share, comment and subscribe, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hype the video, guys. Let this video reach 2,000 views in no time. In less than an hour. Okay, guys? And I need 1,000 likes on this video. Alright, guys. So straight up. Str8yaad TV. Up and running. Okay, my beautiful people, my viewers and my subscriber. Check it out. Right now we're done, my people. We're done. See that? Non-sticking. Everything is good. See that? Real good. See? Guys. This is a lot of jelly. See there? You know this how this have a lot of gum in it, you know, guys. Well gummy. So guys, we're gonna turn it off. Pot is cooked done. Like I said, anytime you see me again, we're gonna turn it off. This is so rich, it's so nice, and it's so healthy, guys. And the gravy, it's off the hook. Guys, you need to follow this one. Do it step by step like I do it. Come out with a perfect result. Every time. Guys, I'm telling you, this one is so nice. Meat is so soft and nice. Falling off the bone, guys. So we're gonna turn off right now and we're gonna plate. So stay tuned. Watch the video, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the pig feet, guys. This is the end result of the pot, guys. Look how nice and beautiful this is. This is some authentic pig feet, guys. Real traditional way. This thing is so nice and delicious, guys. The amount of meat on it, guys. Trust me. If you want to get your collagen on, this is the way to get some nice collagen in your bone and your body, guys. I'm telling you. This pig feet here is full of gum. Gummy. It's like a cooking cow skin. Man, you guys want to try it. You guys want to check it out. This is so healthy, guys. It's so nice. So remember, guys. Guys, look at it. Falling off the bone. Nice and delicious, guys. Eat with rice and peas. Anything, food provision. Even if you want to eat it with breadfruit, dumpling, banana, and yam. Anything you want to eat it with, guys. Check it out. You can even eat it by itself. Even with bread. Trust me, guys. It is so nice. Guys, you want to try this one back home. Remember, guys, if you like up the video, share up the video, and subscribe to the channel, guys, and tell a friend if you tell a friend. Str8yaad TV in the kitchen all the time, guys. Always cooking up some authentic meals, guys. So remember, guys, see, check in on the channel and thumbs up the video when you watch it, guys. And remember, all of my viewers and my subscribers, one love. Thank you for always watching the video, guys. Str8yaad TV love you. So remember, like and share, comment and subscribe. We out.